There are moments when everything feels still, when light seems too far and hope is just a whisper. But even in the stillness, a single spark is enough to begin again. With every sweet exchanged, every smile shared, every firework lit, we pass on the light of hope. A reminder that joy multiplies when it's shared. That every ending holds the promise of a new dawn. That shadow exists only to make the light more beautiful. And no matter how long the night, the light always returns. May this Diwali we all move from darkness to light. Happy Diwali!